Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to solve question number 5 of review exercise number 3. Let's read its statement. Solve the following. In this question students, we are going to find out the addition and subtraction of binary numbers. Here is our part 2 given to us. Here we have two binary numbers. We have to find out their sum. Now here is its solution. First we will write our first binary number as it is, and then we will write our second binary number by writing from right towards left. Now we are going to find addition. So when we add 1 plus 1 we got 2, but as you all know that in binary number system we have only two digits 0 and 1, so we will divide it with 2, which is our base. When we divide, 1 is our quotient and 0 is our remainder. Then we will write here our remainder 0, then 1 carry to the next column. 1 2 3. Here we have 3, we cannot write 3 as well, so we will divide it. 2 1s are 2 and 1 is our remainder, so we will write here remainder and 1 carry to the next column. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, we have 3, we cannot write 3, so we will divide it. Here we have 1 remainder and 1 quotient, so we will write here 1 and 1 carry to the next column. 1 plus 0 we have 1, 0 plus 1 we have 1, and 1 will write as it is. So the sum of these two binary numbers is 1 1 1 1 1 0 with base 2. Here is our third part given to us. We have to subtract 1 1 1 with base 2 from 1 0 0 0 0 with base 2. First we will write our first binary number, then we will write our second binary number from right towards left. As you all know that we cannot subtract 1 from 0, so we will take carry from the last column. Here we have again 0, then in last column we have again 0, then in last column we have again 0. We will carry from this one. As you all know that in such type of questions the carry equal to our base, so in this question the carry is equal to 2 because this is equal to our base. Then we carry to this number, we carry 2, but from this we carry to next digit, so in here we left 1. From here we get carry to this column, we have left here 1, and from this we gave carry to the next column. Here we have left 1. Then here we have 0, so when we subtract 1 from 2 we got 1. That 1 minus 1 we got 0, 1 minus 1 we got 0, and 1 will write as it is. In this is cancel out because we already gave cancel from this number. So after the subtraction we have our answer 1 0 0 1 with base 2. Now students, here is our question number 6. Evaluate the following. Here is our part 2 given to us. 4001 with base 5 minus 302 with base 5. Students, in this question we have to find out the addition, subtraction and multiplication of base 5 number systems. Here we will write our first number, then we will write our second number. We cannot subtract 2 from 1, so we will take carry from the last column. Here we have 0, then again we have 0, then we will take carry from the 4. The carry is equal to 5. Here we left 3, we gave 5 to the next column. From here we gave carry to the next column. Here we have left 4. Then from here we gave carry to the next column, we have left 4. Then we will add 1 into the carry. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then when we subtract 2 from 6 we got 4. 4 minus 0 we got 4. 4 minus 3 we got 1, and 3 will write as it is. So our answer is 3144 with base 5. Now here is our part 3. 2442 with base 5 plus 4043 with base 5. We have to find out the addition of base 5 numbers. So we will write our first number, then we will write our second number from right, starting from right. When we add 2 and 3 we got 5, but we cannot write 5 because in base 5 number system we have digits from 0 to 4, so we will divide it with our base 5. Then 1 is our quotient and 0 is our remainder, so we will write here remainder 0 and 1 quotient carry to the next column. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9. We cannot write 9 again, so we will divide it. Then 5 and the 5 and 4 is a remainder, so we will write here 4 and 1 carry to the next column. 1 plus 4 5, then 5 plus 0 we got 5. We cannot write 5, so we will divide it. 5 and the 5 and 0 is our remainder, so we will write here 0 and 1 carry to the next column. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7. We cannot write 7, so we will divide it. 5 and the 5 and 2 is our remainder. So firstly we will write our remainder, then our quotient. So after the sum we got 1 2 0 4 0 with base 5. Now students, here is our part 4 given to us. We have to find out the product of these two base 5 number systems. Firstly, we will write 2 1 2 with base 5 into 3 4 with base 5. When we multiply 4 into 2, we got 8. We cannot write 8, so we will divide it. 5 ones are 5 and 3 is a remainder. So we will write here 3 remainder and 1 carry to the next column. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 5. We cannot write 5, so we will divide it. 5 ones are 5 and 0 is a remainder. So we will write here 0 remainder and 1 carry to the next column. 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 9. We cannot write 9, so we will divide it. 5 ones are 5 and 4 is a remainder. So we will write 4 first and then 1. Then we will multiply 3 with the digits. Firstly, we will write here 0. 3 2 is 6. We cannot write 6, so we will divide it. 5 ones are 5 and 1 is our remainder. We will write here 1 and 1 carry to the next column. 3 into 1 we got 3 plus 1 we got 4. We will write here 4 because 4 is a base 5 number system digit. Then 3 2 is 6. We cannot write 6, so we will divide it. 5 1 is 5 and 1 is a remainder. So we will write first remainder here 1 and then here is our quotient. Now we will add. 3 will write as it is. 0 plus 1 we got 1. 4 plus 4 we got 8. We cannot write 8, so we will divide it. 5 ones are 5 and 3 is our remainder. So we will write here 3 and 1 carry to the next column. 1 plus 2 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. 3 will write as it is and 1 will write as it is. So the product of these two base 5 numbers are 1 3 3 1 3 with base 5. Now students, here is our question number 7. Solve the following. In this question we Here is our question number 7. Solve the following. In this question, we are going to perform addition, subtraction and multiplication of octal number systems. Now, here is our part 1 given to us. 5, 4, 6 with base 8 plus 3 to 7 with base 8. We are going to find out their sum. First, we will write the first number as it is. Then, we will write the second number starting from right towards left. When we add 6 and 7, we got 13. We cannot write 13 because in octal number system, we have digits from 0 to 7, so we will divide it. 8 ones are 8 and 5 is our remainder. So we will write here 5 and 1 carry to the next column. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7. We will write 7 as it is because 7 is digit of octal number system. Then 5 plus 3 we got 8. We cannot write 8, so we will divide it. With 8 we have 8 ones are 8 and 0 is our remainder, so we will write 0 remainder first, then our quotient. So the sum is 1075 with base 8. Now here is our part 2. 7000 with base 8 minus 4456 with base 8. Now students, we have to subtract 6, but we cannot subtract 6 from 0, so we will take carry from the last column. Here we have again 0, in last column we have again 0, and in last column we have 7, so we will take carry from it. After taking carry from it, here left 6. Here we gave carry 8, and from here we will give carry to the next column. So here we left 7. From here we gave carry to the next column. So here we have 7. Here we have 8. When we subtract 6 from 8, we got 2. When we subtract 5 from 7, we got 2. When we subtract 4 from 7, we got 3. And when we subtract 4 from 6, we got 2. So after the subtraction, our answer is 2, 3, 2, 2 with base 8. Now students, here is our part 3. We have to find out the product of these two octal numbers. So let's start its solution. Now let's move towards our next digit 3. 3 3s are 9. But before writing, we will put 2 zeros here. We will divide 9 with 8. 8 ones are 8 and 1 is a remainder. We will write here remainder and 1 carry to the next column. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. We divide 13 with 8. We got 8 ones are 8 and 5 is a remainder. We will write remainder here and then 1 carry to the next column. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. We will divide it with 8. 8 is a 16 and 3 is a remainder. We will write here 3 and give carry 2 to the next column. 3 7 are 21. 21 plus 2 we got 23. When we divide it with 8, 8 2s are 16 and 7 is a remainder. We will write remainder first, then is our quotient. Now we will put 3 zeros here. 2 3s are 6. We will write here as it is because 6 is digit of octal system. Then 2 4s are 8. We will divide it with 8. 8 ones are 8 and 0 is the remainder. We will write here 0 and 1 carry to the next column. Then 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13. We cannot write 13, so we will divide it. 8 1 is 8, 5 is a remainder. We will write here 5 and 1 carry to the next column. Then 2 7 are 14, 14 plus 1 15. We cannot write it. We will divide it. 8 1 is 8 and 7 is a remainder. Firstly we will write our remainder, then our quotient. Now students, we will add. 2 will write as it is. 2 plus 4 we got 6. Then 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. We cannot write 9. We will divide it. 8 1 is 8 and 1 is our remainder. Firstly we will write a remainder here 1 and 1 carry to the next column. Then 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 13. We got 20. We will divide it with 8, 8 to the 16 and 4 is a remainder. We will write here remainder 4 and give carry 2 to the next column. Then 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 3 17. We cannot write 17, so we will divide it with 8, 8 to the 16 and 1 is a remainder. We will write here remainder and 2 carry to the next column. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17. We cannot write 17. We will divide it with our base, which is 8, 8 to the 16 and 1 is our remainder. We will write here 1 and give 2 carry to the next column. We gave carry 2 to the next column. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 7 we got 11. We cannot write 11, so we will divide it. 8 1 is 8 and 3 is our remainder. We will write here remainder 3 and 1 carry to the next column. Then 1 plus 1 2. We will write 2 as it is. So the product of these two octal number is 2 3 1 1 4 1 6 2 with base 8. Now students, we will learn half summary today and half summary next day. Let's start our first point. Here is the definition of binary number system. Starting from here, the number system with base 2 is also called binary number system. Then our next is number in binary number system. All the numbers in binary number system are represented by only two digits, 0 and 1. Our next point is having heading representation of binary numbers. All the binary numbers can be represented by the sum of multiples of power of base 2. Then our next is base 5 number system. In base 5 number system, 5 digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are used to represent the numbers in a system. Then our next point is all the base 5 numbers can be represented by the sum of multiples of power of base 5. Its heading is representation of base 5 numbers. Then our next point is the number system with base 8 is also called octal number system. Students, these are all the definition which we read earlier in whole unit. I repeat it many times while solving the questions. As you all know that when we have a number system with base 2, this is binary number system. You all know that we have only two digits in binary number system, 0 and 1. And then in base 5 number system we have digits from 0 to 4, and in octal number system we have base 8. You have to learn all these definitions very carefully. I hope you understand all.